In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export Inkscape files as vector graphics so you can use them in other design software, send them to clients, or upload them to platforms that require scalable vector formats. If you've ever created something in Inkscape and wondered how to properly export it as a vector file, like SVG or EPS, without losing quality, this guide will walk you through the exact steps. The best part is that vector files can scale infinitely without becoming blurry or pixelated, which makes them perfect for logos, illustrations, and professional design work. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right into Inkscape. First, make sure your canvas and artwork are ready before exporting. Open the file you want to export as a vector. Look through your design and confirm that everything appears exactly the way you want it. This includes text placement, shapes, colors, and alignment. Now here's an important step that many beginners skip. If you plan to export your design for older or legacy software, you should convert all shapes and objects into paths. Some programs don't recognize Inkscape's live shapes, which can cause issues when opening the file elsewhere. To do this, select the objects you want to convert, then press Ctrl+Shift+C on your keyboard. This converts the objects into paths, so other software can interpret them correctly. Doing this helps prevent compatibility problems later when the file is opened in programs like Illustrator or CorelDRAW. Once your artwork is ready and any necessary objects are converted to paths, the next step is exporting the file as a vector format. To do this in Inkscape, press Ctrl+Shift+S on your keyboard. This opens the Save As window, which allows you to choose the format you want to export. In this list, you'll see several different file types available, including SVG, EPS, and more. These are vector formats, meaning they preserve the mathematical paths that make the design scalable instead of turning it into pixels. If you are exporting your design for websites, modern apps, or general sharing, choose Plain SVG from the file type list. Plain SVG removes Inkscape-specific metadata and keeps the file clean and compatible with other programs. This is the best option when you're sending the file to someone who may not be using Inkscape, or when uploading graphics to platforms that expect a standard SVG file. After selecting Plain SVG, simply click Save and your vector file will be exported. If you need maximum compatibility with professional design software like Adobe Illustrator or CorelDRAW, choose Encapsulated PostScript, which is the EPS format. After selecting EPS and clicking Save, a settings window will appear. In this dialog, make sure PostScript Level 3 is selected. This ensures the exported file works correctly across most professional design environments. Once that option is confirmed, click OK and Inkscape will generate the EPS vector file. One important thing to remember about vector formats like SVG, EPS, and even PDF is scalability. Unlike raster images such as JPEG or PNG, vector graphics are built using mathematical paths and shapes. That means you can resize the artwork to any size you want without losing quality. A logo exported as a vector can be used on a tiny website icon or a massive billboard, and it will remain perfectly sharp. This is why vector exports are essential for branding, printing, and professional graphic design work. And that's it. That's how to export your Inkscape design as a vector file using SVG or EPS formats. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.